Oh, look like he's nesting. I don't know, it is nesting or what?
Looks like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the father's that squangy looking thing. It's been all pecked to death. Said it's hard to take care of this many girls.
You can sit down.
Yeah, sure.
Find a chair right there. Just make a circle in the shade.
I can go back to the ship and you can, make your rounds.
Where are you going?
Just working my way around, that's all. Just casually looking.
Someone's laying an egg.
Looks like she's on a nest, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh,
That raggedy one, that's probably his father.
it's different. Oh, look at that with
I
his.
think he's been in one too many tussles in his place. Somebody's pecked most of his feathers off.
Maybe he's younger.